is wishing upon a star right now? Are you? Oh, go on, make a wish. I wish. Oh, I just want all our wishes to have a chance to come true. Whoa!
tape.
Oh, Peter, I can't believe we're above the rooftops. How wonderful. From up here, the street lamps look like stars. Peter, do you think all those people can hear us?
Only one way to find out. Hello! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right, and straight on till morning.
Starlight is all around us. Gosh, Minnie, have you ever seen the stars sparkle like this before?
Oh, it's so magical.
Come on, everybody. Wish on a star.
I wish that this night would never end.
Oh boy, a train ride through the stars with all